Realme Q3 will launch in China on October 13th. Here are key specifications, features, and other details of the upcoming Realme phone. Realme is working on a new smartphone under its Q series. Conveniently dubbed as Realme Q2, the handset has made multiple appearances on the web ahead of the official launch on October 13th. Now, Realme Q2 has made another appearance on the Geekbench benchmarking website, revealing some of the specifications of the phone. Sporting RMX 2117 model number, Realme Q2 will run on MediaTek's new Dimensity 800U processor. It will also support 5G and have dual SIM support. The chipset will be coupled with 6GB of RAM. The benchmark listing further reveals the phone will run on Android 10 out of the box. A recent 10 certification has revealed Realme Q2 will come with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD. The phone will sport at least 3 rear cameras including 48-megapixel, 8-megapixel, and 2-megapixel sensors. On the front, it will have a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The phone will be powered by a 4,900 mAh battery coupled with 30 watts fast charging support. Realme is likely to launch 2 iterations of Realme Q2. The lineup will include a Realme Q2 Pro as well. The Pro version is said to come with 8GB of RAM and 256GB built-in storage. As of now, there is no word on the availability of phones outside China, so friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.